Hello students, today in this session of English we are going to start with a new chapter, that is the last chapter of our syllabus. Okay, that is exploring patriotism. Now we all have the feeling of patriotism, the feeling of nationalism in ourselves. Yes or no?
Yes.
We have that feeling that India is my country. Yes or no? We have that feeling. That is what the feeling of patriotism, the feeling of nationalism. As a citizen, you must have that feeling, right? So that is what the feeling of patriotism. Now, in India, right? India was under the clutches of Britishers. Yes or no?
Yes.
But there were many reformers, right, who helped India to become an independent nation, right? So from that, one was Mahatma Gandhi. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about making of Mahatma Gandhi. Means how we come to know about Mahatma Gandhi, how he became a reformer, how he became popular, right? What reforms he had done, that we are going to learn. Making of Mahatma
Gandhi.
Okay, first of all, tell me what you know about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, father of nation. Okay, then what? Okay, Ahinsawadi. You are saying father of nation. Why he is called as father of nation?
Because he had slaves from
Okay, he helped us for independent India. Then he struggled a lot, right? He struggled a lot. He had done many satyagraha movements, right? Satyagraha movement, you know na satyagraha,
Yes.
right? So he did many satyagraha movement, and his first movement started from South Africa. From where it started?
South Africa.
As you know that he went there to study
Law.
law, yeah, right? What is law, you know, right?
Yes.
Study of law, right? So he went there to study law. So this chapter is all about Mahatma Gandhi ji, that how he went to South Africa, how he felt that their people are not behaving properly with Indians, what they are doing, how they are behaving. Some incident that happened in South Africa, because of that he became popular in South Africa, he became popular in the media, right? So that all we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay students, starts with the introduction of Gandhiji, that he stayed in in South Africa for 20 long years. How many years?
20 long years.
Right. Now, first of all, he reached to Port of Natal. When he reached Port of Natal, that is also known as Durban. That is known as what? Durban. Okay. His friend, that is Abdullah Sheikh. His friend was, who was his friend?
Abdullah Sheikh.
He came there to receive him. To receive him means? Yes, right, to receive him. Right. Now we saw there that when Abdullah Sheikh was talking to some foreigners, he saw that the Indian people, right, the foreigners are, the Britishers are not respecting or not giving respect to Indian people. Their behavior towards Indian was very rude, right? There was kind of rudeness in their behavior. It means what they are doing, they are discriminating among this black and white, right? So this was going on there. It means Gandhiji felt hurt, right? He felt hurt by seeing this, right? Now, the literacy level of Abdullah was very low. He was not that educated, right? Whom I am talking about? Abdullah Sheikh. Abdullah Sheikh was not that educated. His literacy level was very low, right? It means ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे, right? But as he was having a lot of experience, as he was having a lot of knowledge, and because of the experience, and he used to catch up the words quickly. So because of that, he learned English. and he started communicating in English with people, right? So in this way, he, with the help of experience, right, people were knowing him, people were knowing Abdullah in South Africa, right? So here, then also, what Abdullah offered a room next to him, to Gandhiji, right, to stay, right? And even he took him to the court, you know, as he was practicing law. So where he will go to the court. So they, Abdullah said, they took him to the court. Now here in court there was one incident happened with whom? With Gandhiji. That we are going to learn. In that you will come to know about the discrimination of the Britishers, that how they are behaving with Indians. In that, Gandhiji strongly opposed that I will not do this. Right? Strongly opposed. And after that, he became very famous. As you people know that Gandhiji, whatever Gandhiji used to do, he used to do with the path of non-violence. Non-violence, you know, right? Sorry. So whatever he used to do with the path of non-violence and truth, right? So he was very strong that he is not doing anything, he is not fighting with the person, or he is not doing anything to that court person, but for the self-respect, right? For his self-respect, he denied. Happened in the court. He went to the court. He sat next to the lawyer. Okay, when he sat next to the lawyer. Okay. Now the magistrate who used to judge the court, right? The main magistrate of the court was continuously staring at Gandhiji and was continuously giving an angry look to Gandhiji. You know why? Because have you seen the Indian people, old Indian people used to wear turban on their head, turban pagdi jaisa, right? Turban on their head, right? So in the same way, Gandhiji was having the habit of wearing a turban, right? As it was Indian culture at that time, it was our culture, right? So he was following it. So the magistrate was looking very angrily to him, and he told him to took off the turban. That took off this Indian turban. If it is showing you the Indian culture, took it off. Or wear English cap. If you will not do so, it will be very difficult for you to survive here. This was the words of magistrate. So Gandhiji, as the feeling of patriotism arose in him, that why, if I wear English cap, I will look like waiter. This was the words of what? Gandhiji. That if I wear English cap, I will look like a waiter. I will never take off my turban at any cost. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. And he left the court. But he didn't allow anyone to remove the turban. Why? Because he wants to show the culture of India. He wants to show that we are not we are not bad person, or we are not bad, or we are not doing anything bad. To show their own culture is not bad. No one can force you to change yourself, right? So the magistrate cannot change him, right? So he refused to remove the turban. At that time, Abdullah Seth was like, of course he was his friend, right? So he supported him. Now, here Gandhiji wrote a letter to the newspaper editor. Of course, if newspaper editor, it comes in newspaper, it becomes a
famous
publicity, right? Kind of publicity, right? So he didn't do it for publicity, but he did it to aware the Indian people, those who are living there. They don't become the slave. Don't become their slave. You are not doing something wrong, right? So don't become their slave. So this was the thing that he was trying to say. So he wrote a letter, letter with the topic unwelcome visitor. Unwelcome means they are not welcoming Indian people. So till last, at the end also, he was with his turban, right? When he went there, when he went out of South Africa, he was with his turban. He never removed his turban. Right? So this is the chapter. This feeling of patriotism everyone should have. Right? We all should have this feeling of patriotism. Okay, students? So I hope you understood the chapter. Till that, keep learning. Stay home.